Good evening, everyone. It's like 11 something at night. I've been working all day for the past like 3 days straight. Really tired here. Got a ton done. I apologize in advance if the video isn't edited to its highest standard. I am pretty much very exhausted and kind of stumbling over my words. I'm just trying to get this video up to essentially document the progress on the interior of the house, which is drywall almost all the way done, lights installed, electrical outlets installed, switches installed, conduit buried and installed, and guess what? House powered. Yes! That's the video coming up. Enjoy, if you can. Alright, so this is what I've been up to. Drywall. This is just the scraps here. Wish I had it better protected at the moment, but right now it's just kind of wham bam, get the drywall up and get it done. We're almost there. I am so excited for this. Yep. We have working switches. I don't know how many times I sat here and turned the switch on and off. Oh man, this is an amazing feeling. Feels like a real house. When you have switches and lights and there's no extension cords running all over the place. This is what I finally get to get rid of. Right here. This has been a bane. A window always open. Lets draft come in. Not too amazing. Here's the main box. Man, that is a clean job. My neighbor Larry is amazing. I almost just want to frame this, to be honest with you. It's just so dang clean. So there it is. The wiring is finally finished. The first floor is completely powered. As you can see over there, I have things plugged into the wall. It's powered. I just gotta kick that extension cord out, close the window forever, and I can start using my outlets. Heck, I mean, I actually already have one that I'm using. Pardon my dinner mess here. Is this here for the overhead light. It's just a remote timer that I can kick on the light. It is plugged into the outlet. Yes! Small things sometimes are like the biggest rewards, man. I tell ya. It's been a long time coming. Electrical is not the most fun thing, but we did it. And that's what counts. The stuff's plugged in. The house hasn't burnt down. Everything's working. It's all solar powered. It's 100% free power at this point. Amazing feeling. It's actually looking like a house. Tomorrow we're going to try the peak here. And then we're going to kick down the shop light. And I don't know if we can even see it from this angle. But there's a wire box hanging down. And that's where the ceiling fan with the light's supposed to go. So, it's been slow going. It's a lot more challenging to do the steep angled parts, even with a drywall lift. Yeah, it's really awkward. I think it's just meant to do full 4x8 sheets, not little fractions, and so we ended up like poking some holes in the insulation somewhere. Not too much on this side, I think just over here, like with the tops of the drywall lift. You can see it's already almost poking a hole in the drywall itself. But, learning curve, first time, right? So that was today's work. Bringing the electricity to the house, flipping all the breakers, and making sure the house don't burn down. Our amazing neighbor came over and trimmed this box out. Man, it's clean. I love it. Now it's just a matter of getting the rest of the drywall finished on both lofts and the peak of the roof. Then we're going to go through and kind of like right here we did, just put compound over all the screw holes. Then we come in and sand it, fill all these gaps with compound, sand it down, paint it, and then give it a nice clean and call it good. Drywall. It is difficult, but it'll look clean once it's done, I hope. Quite the transformation already. Well, good evening, y'all. It's about 10 o'clock at night. For some reason, this brand new generator broke its pull cord. I just got done basically taking this off, fishing it out, retying the knot on a shorter cord, because I ain't gonna drive into town right now to try to get one. But that's kind of odd, you know, I haven't even really started this thing that many times. I was checking the burr here, like on this fitting, to see if it's sharp at all anywhere, but it's perfectly smooth. It's the weirdest thing, like it just had a catastrophic failure randomly. But number 8 socket, and like 20 minutes later after finding the right extension and stuff, because the heads are recessed in here, I should be back up and running in a second. Stuff you deal with, right? Top it with fuel so we can get through the night. Totally full. And let's hope that it doesn't break on the first pull, because I need this thing tonight. Awesome. It'll make it another day till I can get another cord. You can only repair a cord so many times until it gets impossible, right?